Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to knit this beautiful stitch pattern. You can use this pattern in your ladies sweater and cardigan. See, this is the pattern. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. You knit on your every knit stitch and purl on your every purl stitch for every wrong side rows. So this is only 14 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 12 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 12 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 27 stitches on my needle, which is 12 plus 12 24 and plus 1 extra stitch 25 and plus 2 edge stitch 27. So before you start the repeat pattern, first you will need to knit 2 base rows. So first base row knit your edge stitch through the back loop and purl 1, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 5 1 2 3 4 5, knit 5, purl 1 and knit 5 1 2 3 4 5, purl 1. That's the repeat. Purl 1, repeat pattern starts from here. Knit 5 1 2 3 4 5, purl 1, knit 5 2 4 5, purl 1. This is the repeat, right? Knit 5, purl 1, knit 5, purl 1. This is the repeat. Repeat that again. Knit 5 1 2 3 4 5, purl 1, knit 5 1 2 3 4 5, purl 1. Your edge stitch on the right side, knit. Second base row. For second base row and for every wrong side rows, purl, knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. So we have here knit stitch, that means knit 1, and we have here 5 purl stitches 2 4 5, that means purl 5 1 2 3 4 5, 1 knit stitch, knit 1, 5 purl stitch, purl 5 1 2 3 4 5, 1 knit stitch, knit 1, 5 purl stitch, purl 5 2 3 4 5, 1 knit stitch, knit 1, 5 purl stitch, purl 5 1 2 3 4 5, and last 2 stitch, 1 knit stitch, knit 1, and your edge stitch on the wrong side, slip. So we have done 2 base rows here. Now we're going to start the repeat after these 2 base rows. You're going to knit these 2 base rows only this time. And now start the repeat. Row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and purl 1. Start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, yarn in back first, yarn over this way, and now we're gonna pass this 4th 5th stitch 1 2 3 4 5, this stitch over this 4. We're gonna bring this stitch here, right? We're gonna pass this stitch over this 4 like so, and then knit this 4 1 2 3 4, and here purl 1, and here pass this first stitch over this 4, right? First you're going to slip 1 2 3 4 5, slip this 5 to your right hand needle and pass this first stitch over these 4 and knit this 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here yarn in front and yarn over this way for purl stitch, because the next stitch is going to be purl. So yarn in front, yarn over this way, and then purl 1. Right, that's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done yarn over and these 5 stitches and purl 1, these 5 stitches, yarn over, purl 1 again. So repeat that again, yarn in back, yarn over this way for next stitch, and pass this 5th stitch over this 4, and here knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 1 and slip these 5 first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now pass this first stitch over this 4 and knit these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and yarn over for purl stitch, yarn in front, yarn over this way and purl 1. So we have done 2 repeats, and after you finish all repeats, for a last edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 and wrong side rows, knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch, knit on knit and yarn over. You will always purl on the wrong side and purl on purl, knit on knit, purl on purl, yarn over, always purl on the wrong side, knit stitch, knit, yarn over, purl, 4 purl stitches, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit on knit, purl on purl, 1, 2, 3, 4, and yarn over, purl, knit stitch, knit, and your edge stitch, and in front, slip on the wrong side. Row 3, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and purl 1. Start the repeat from here, knit 1, yarn over and pass this 4th stitch over this 3 this time, knit this 3, 1, 2, 3, and here purl 1 and slip this 4 stitch to a right hand needle, 1, 2, 3, 4, pass this first stitch over this 3 and knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and yarn over, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. That's the repeat. Repeat that again from here to here. Repeat that again, knit 1, yarn over and pass this 4th stitch over this 3 and knit this 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1, and back, slip this 4 stitch to a right hand needle, 2, 3, 4, and pass this first stitch over this 3 and knit this 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 1, purl 1, and your last edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 4, knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. Row 5, knit your edge stitch through the back loop, purl 1, start the repeat from here, knit 2, yarn over, pass this third stitch over this 2, knit this 2, 1, 2, purl 1 and slip this 3 to a right hand needle and pass this first stitch over this 2 and knit this 2, yarn over, knit 2 and purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Repeat that again. Knit 2, yarn over, pass this third stitch over this 2, knit this 2, purl 1 and back, slip this 3 to a right hand needle, pass this first stitch over this 2, knit 2 and yarn over, knit 2, purl 1 and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 6, knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. Row 7, knit your edge stitch through the back loop, purl 1, start the repeat from here, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 2 together, now knit these 2 together, purl 1, yes escape, slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice and knit these 2 together through the back loop, that's the SSK, and then yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Repeat that again. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit together, purl 1, SSK, slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice and knit these 2 together through the back loop and yarn over, knit 3 and purl 1. Edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 8, knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. Row 9, knit your edge stitch through the back loop, purl 1, start the repeat from here, knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and purl 1. Now pass this third stitch from these 3, third stitch over this 2 and for these 2 knit 1, yarn over, knit 1 and then here purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 3, purl 1 and pass the third stitch over to here and after these from these 2 knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, purl 1, knit 3 and purl 1. Again knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1. For these 3 you're going to pass this third stitch over these 2 and from these 2 knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 1, knit 3 and purl 1. Edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 10, knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. Row 11, knit your edge stitch through the back loop, purl 3 and start the repeat, knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and here purl 1, knit 1 3 times, purl 1, knit 1, 1, purl 1, knit 1, 2, purl 1, knit 1, 3, and then knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 3, purl 1, knit 1 3 times, purl 1, knit 1, 1, purl 1, knit 1, 2, purl 1, knit 1, 3, and then knit 2, purl 1. Again, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1, knit 1 3 times, purl 1, knit 1, 1, purl 1, knit 1, 2, purl 1, knit 1, 3, and knit 2, purl 1. Your eye stitch, knit on the right side. Row 12, knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. Row 13, knit your eye stitch through the back loop, purl 1, start the repeat from here, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1, and here again you're going to pass this third stitch over these two, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1 from these two, and then purl 1, knit 3, yarn over, and purl 1 and knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1. That's the repeat. Knit 3, purl 1 and pass the third stitch over 2, and from that 2 knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1. Again, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1, and here pass this third stitch over this 2, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, and then purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and purl 1. Add stitch, knit on the right side. Row 14, knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. So we have done our last row, row 14 as well, and we have finished one repeat here. Now repeat these 14 rows, row 1 to row 14, over and over again until you reach your desired length. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.